Are you tired of spending hours recording and editing voiceovers, or struggling to find the perfect voice talent? Then get ready to unlock the power of effortless audio creation, because in this video, we're diving deep into Murf AI, the ultimate solution for generating high-quality voiceovers. So let's get started. First, head over to Murf AI and create an account. You can start with a free trial to explore its features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Murf AI dashboard. Here, you can see all your projects. Click on Create Project to start a new one. Give your project a name and description for easy organization. Now comes the exciting part: selecting your AI voice. Murf AI offers a diverse range of voices with different accents, tones, and styles. You can filter them based on gender, age, and use case. Preview each voice to find the one that perfectly matches your project's needs. After you've chosen your voice, it's time to add your script. Paste your text into the editor. Now, this is where the magic happens. Murf AI allows you to customize the speech in incredible detail. You can adjust the speed, pitch, and emphasis of individual words or phrases to fine-tune the delivery. Murf AI seamlessly integrates with various content creation workflows. You can download your voiceovers in multiple formats like WAV or MP3. And that's it. You've just created a professional-quality voiceover using Murf AI. Now go forth and create some awesome audio content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.